Did Governor Susana Martinez break the law? A fired Corrections Department official claims he lost his job after the governor meddled where legally she is not allowed.
And his attorneys claim they have the proof. News 13's Katie Kim is in the Newsplex.
The administration maintains the Corrections Department fired Larry Flynn because of his job record, plain and simple. But his attorneys say the governor and her staff were behind it, which is against the law.
Larry Flynn is not going out without a fight. The former state probation and parole supervisor was fired last December for a slew of violations. First, he was suspended while under investigation for padding his time cards. Then he was investigated for firing his personal gun more than a dozen times on state pen property in Santa Fe. He was living on prison grounds with his girlfriend Lupe Martinez, the governor's corrections secretary at the time. Current Corrections Secretary Greg Martinez took over when Martinez resigned, then fired Flynn.
We don't believe there was just cause.
Flynn's attorney Sam Bregman says despite all the wrongdoing his client has been accused of, another factor played into why he was fired.
There was discussions between the Corrections Department and the governor's office specifically about what type of penalty to dish out to Mr. Larry Flynn.
Bregman says he has the emails and messages to prove it.
Whether or not to issue him a letter of reprimand, whether or not to fire him. That's not their job.
In fact, it's against the law for the governor's office to influence a cabinet secretary in the hiring and firing decisions of permanent state employees, even though the secretary is an extension of the governor's office. Bregman claims the administration dodged questions about whether the governor's staff pushed for Flynn's firing. Now they won't be able to. A judge ruled the governor cannot cite executive privilege and that her staff, including her chief of staff, Keith Gardner, will have to answer questions related to how and why Flynn was fired.
The governor's office says it won't comment on personnel matters, but a spokesman did say the governor was never opposed to her staff testifying about Flynn's firing. But they did say they did not want Flynn's attorney to ask other questions about corrections issues. Back to you.
Okay, Katie, the governor's office has always insisted that Secretary Mercantile made the decision to fire Flynn. The hearings to see if Flynn should get his job back start on Monday.